Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best LS Swap Kit is probably one of the most sought-after upgrades for car enthusiasts looking to boost their vehicle's performance and reliability, offering a blend of power, efficiency, and the extensive support of a large aftermarket community. This comprehensive guide will walk you through everything you need to know before purchasing an LS Swap Kit, from choosing the right kit for your specific vehicle to understanding the installation process and potential challenges. Number 5. EVIL Energy 6 and Fuel Line Kit. This kit is perfect for your EFI LS system and other high-performance applications. It's built to handle extreme heat and pressure, ensuring reliable fuel delivery. It's suitable for fuel injection, LS engine swaps, and EFI conversions. You can also use it for turbo oil feed, boost lines, and more. With a 5/16-inch inner diameter and 0.45-inch outer diameter, it's important to double-check your measurements before ordering. Everything you need is included, as shown in the picture. It boasts a working temperature range from -76 degrees Fahrenheit to 446 degrees Fahrenheit and can withstand up to 1,500 psi of pressure. This kit is built to last. It's compatible with all automotive fuels, lubricants, and coolants, giving you the versatility you need. Remember, it's relatively hard and shouldn't be bent or folded. Professional installation is recommended for optimal performance. What we like. It boasts an impressive 25-foot length, perfect for various applications. Its high-pressure capabilities ensure reliable performance even in demanding situations. If you need a fuel line kit for multiple uses in your LS swap, this is the one for you. What people say. This PTFE line type of hose is a little less flexible and easier to kink than rubber-based 6N types, but you gain true alcohol resistance for that trade. When I made my first cut on the line, I can see the quality of the construction as well as the quality PTFE inner liner. Used for my 72 Nova LS swapped. No leakage, great quality, fit perfectly and easy to install. Number 4. MSCRP LS Bypass Hose Kit. This kit is designed for all GM LS series engines, providing a seamless coolant and steam crossover solution. It's a simple yet effective upgrade for your engine's cooling system. Everything you need is right here: 2 O-rings, 2 bolts, 2 coolant ports, PTFE tape, and a steel braided hose. It's ready for installation right out of the box. It offers the flexibility to install it either at the front or rear of the cylinder heads, adapting to your specific engine setup. This makes installation easier and more convenient. It utilizes a durable steel braided hose for superior strength and reliability. This ensures long-lasting performance and resistance to wear and tear. Please remember that thread sealant is not included in this kit. Make sure to use a compatible sealant during installation for a proper seal. This kit is compatible with all GM LS series engines, but please note it's not compatible with fast 102 intake manifolds. Always double-check compatibility before purchasing. What we like. This kit comes with everything you need for a smooth installation. It's designed for easy installation on all GM LS series engines, saving you time and effort. If you value convenience and compatibility with your GM LS engine, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Fits and functions perfectly. Good fit and build quality. It works, but you should have a steam tube off of it to make sure you don't have any air pockets. Number 3. LSx Engine Swap Kit. This kit makes it easy to upgrade your older vehicle with a powerful LS engine. It's compatible with a wide range of trucks and SUVs. It fits various Chevrolet and GMC models, including Blazers, S10s, Sonomas, and Jimmys from 1982 to 2005. Check the details to see if it fits your vehicle. This kit includes everything you need for a smooth installation. No more struggling with engine mounts. It supports a variety of LS engines, including LS1, LS2, LS3, LS6, LSx, LQ4, LQ9, and more, giving you plenty of power options. Made with durable urethane, it ensures a long-lasting and reliable performance. It's built to withstand the demands of your engine. We offer a 12-month guarantee, so you can buy with confidence. Enjoy a worry-free upgrade. What we like. Made of durable urethane, it's built to last. It's specifically designed for Chevrolet and GMC trucks from 1987 to 2005. If you own a classic Chevy or GMC truck and are looking for a reliable engine mount kit, this is your best bet. Number 2. LSx Swap Relay and Fuse Box Kit. It's designed for a perfect fit in your LS1, 6.0, 5.3, or 4.8 engine swap. This kit ensures a smooth and easy installation process. It's made with high-quality materials that surpass original equipment standards. This means it's more durable and cost-effective in the long run. It comes with everything you need: 2 relays for fuel and ignition, 6 fuses, and clearly labeled wires. It supports both drive-by-wire and drive-by cable systems. This kit meets or exceeds original equipment manufacturer standards. We inspect each one before shipping to guarantee quality. Have questions? Our customer support team is ready to assist you via email. We'll help you resolve any issues quickly. What we like. This waterproof kit is designed as a standalone unit, ensuring reliable performance. It's perfect for LS1, 6.0, 5.3, and 4.8 LSx engines. If you need a dependable and weatherproof wiring harness for your LS swap, this is the solution. What people say. Just what I need for the LS swap. Very good overall. Box seems a little thin but worked out well for me, easy to wire in. Ordered 2 units, they are wired with completely different color schemes. The only 2 wires that had the same colors are battery and ground. Everything else is scrambled. Number 1. LSx Engine Swap Kit. This kit makes it easy to upgrade your older truck with a powerful LS engine. It's designed for a smooth and reliable installation. It's compatible with various models from 1982 to 2005, including Chevrolet S10, Blazer, GMC Sonoma and Jimmy. Check the description for the full list of compatible vehicles. This kit is built to last. The laser-cut steel plates and high-quality urethane mounts ensure a secure and long-lasting installation. Everything you need is included: adapter plates, engine mounts, bolts, washers, and nuts. Installation is straightforward, but instructions are not included. It uses high-quality steel and urethane for superior strength and durability. It's built to strict quality control standards for a reliable swap. This kit supports a wide range of LS engines, from the LS1 to the 6.2L. Upgrade your truck's performance with ease. What we like. It's a complete kit with high-quality laser-cut steel components for superior durability. It fits a wide range of vehicles from 1982 to 2005. If you need a robust and comprehensive engine mount kit for your LS swap, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. Worked without having to modify. My S10 is a 91 and originally had a 4.3 in it. It's hard to get the nuts on bottom of bolt unless your crossmember has been notched for clearance. A pain to replace the frame pads, but this setup went in flawlessly and has plenty of adjustment front to back as well as a little side to side. Worked out great for my LS swap into a 1997 Ford truck, as some don't work because the engine does not need to go back that far. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.